Hello friends, this is Programming and Coding channel. Here I am going to show about abstraction concept in Java and how it is used in real world programming. So I am going to tell one example like I am restricting the user for entering valid age for a specific application like voting system etc. And I am going to tell about by using abstraction concept. So I am first I am taking age as a private variable. Here private is the access specifier, so I don't want to access another class to access this data and modify. I don't want to modify that data, so I put it as a private access specifier. After that i am I am taking setAge as a method, and I am restricting the user for entering valid age using setAge method. And intAge, I am passing intAge as a parameter arguments. After that I am restricting by age must be greater than 0, and if the user enter valid age, then the age must be copied into this local variable and it shows on the screen by using system.out.println method. If the user is not enter the valid age, then it shows some error messages on screen like please enter valid age. After that after that I am I have created another main class. So I want to use student one class in this class, so I want to create object of that class. So I am creating using student sc using a new student. So I created that class. Here I want to create, here the application must be show some messages on screen like please enter your age. After that I am taking for a input. I have to take input from the user. So I am taking scanner class and object for taking input from the user like new scanner and in bracket system dot in. After that I am taking one variable as a local variable as age, and I am using that class object and use that next int method for taking a input data as a integer from the user. After that I am passing I am calling setAge method, and in bracket I pass that variable to the setAge method. So it is a multiple variable data access. Oh, it going to. Here I am calling s1 setAge method, and I am passing age argument as age. So I am running this and here the application should want to take input from the user. Here I am gave as 45 as age, then it's printed on the screen. But when I am giving negative, so it shows the printing error message on the screen. So I am restricting the user for entering the valid age. So thank you.